Hi, if you own a Korg Minilogue, you may have experienced the common issue over time, sticking out. The original rubber coating can break down after years of use, making the synthesizer uncomfortable to operate. Like this. This is the original plastic knob I removed from this Minilogue. To solve this problem, I designed a custom aluminum replacement knob kit specifically for Korg Minilogue. Each knob is CNC machined from the solid aluminum and finished with silver anodizing for durability and a clean, professional look. The kit includes 27 standard knobs and a special program value knob and a dedicated cutoff filter knob and aluminum pitch bend slider. The installation is very simple. Just remove the original knob like this and place the new aluminum knob onto the shaft and tighten them using the included hex wrench. Once installed, the Minilogue gets a completely refreshed feel with the solid aluminum controls. If your knob suffers from sticking out, aluminum replacement kit offers a durable and elegant solution. Take a look at this. The cheap looking plastic feel is gone. Oh, there is XD version also. XD version comes in two colors, black and silver. So if you're interested in these knob replacement kits, please visit the site mentioned below. Thank you.